Hi everyone, we are Tom and Trent. The language we chose for this homework is Scala. Scala means scalable because the same language works well from TensorScript to massive enterprise systems. Scala was created by Martin Orsky, the co-creator of Java's compiler in 2004. It runs on the JVM, which means it gets automatic garbage collection and is fully interoperable with Java. So why Scala? It evolves Java by cutting down the verbosity with concise syntax and high-level abstractions. However, the trade-off is slower compilation times and harder to learn.
Scala's strength is blend of OOP and functional programming, used to get classes and inheritance, but also immutability, higher order functions, and pattern matching similar to F#. It gives you the best of both paradigms. Next, Scala prioritizes immutability. By defaulting to val over var, we keep data consistent and thread safe as val is immutable. The only trade-off is slightly higher memory usage due to creating copies. Other than classes, we have K-classes in Scala. They are designed for immutable data modeling, offering significant conciseness. A standard Java class requires over 15 lines of code, while a Scala case class achieves the same result in just one line without getter and setters.
Next up, the trace. Think of this as interfaces that can actually hold code in fields. They allow a class to mix in multiple behaviors, effectively solving the single inheritance limit. As the diagram shows, our person class efficiently mix in mixed features from company, school, and house all at once.
Next
Next
is
is
our
our
demo.
demo.
We are building a simple grading app for CS341 to demo Scala's features. So for the data modeling, we use trace and case classes. We use trade called coursework, access an interface, and the case classes for homework, exam worksheet, and CS341 student. Next, for our data setup, we initialize 3 students, Trent, Alice, Tom, with their raw scores. And as we can see, the syntax is really clean as we don't need to use the new keyword to define these objects. For getting the weighted score, we're going to use pattern matching. Scala automatically detected the type, so if it's a homework, this function gonna get it for 0.25, and for exam it's 0.65, and worksheet is 110.
In this case, we use higher order function. We use map to transform scores, then sum to calculate totals in one step without loops or mutable variables. To get the letter grade, we convert the numbers to letters using Gar's case as if to handle ranges. If the score is greater than 90, it's an A. To execute, we pass printline as a first class function to for each to output results. And here is the result.
Scala is popularly used for big data because AppSpark was written in Scala. Companies like Netflix, Twitter, and LinkedIn also use Scala to handle massive traffic and real-time workloads. It's also used for building microservices with frameworks. Thank you for listening to our presentation.